In this video I will tell you how to Facebook page delete. So first open Facebook and then profile. This is profile, so page select first. You sure? So click here, all page showing. So choose you page deleted. So I choose this page delete. Okay, switch page automatically. So this is page, and go to three dot here, three dot click. After that go to privacy. This is privacy and setting. After that setting, scroll down and your information under access and control go to. After that here you can see page deleted. This option choose and continue, press any causes option, choose and continue and continue. Here input password, profile password. Okay, so I password is put, so continue click and delete page. Sure, I deleted page deleted name. This is I Aurea. Few second wait, your page permanently delete. Okay, first page delete. You can see this is page all, not here. Okay, page my deleted. And second page delete, second page choose. After that go to three dot, then privacy setting, then scroll and no scroll and go to setting. Okay, इसके after that the scroll your information under the access control and delete page, select continue and causes choose, any causes choose. This is hacked and continue or here input my password, profile password and continue. Few second wait and delete permanently your page name. This is here showing. Few second permanently delete page, automatically switch profile. Okay, you can see two page deleted. You can see this is last page, choose page. This is page delete. So first page select, then three dot and privacy, two page deleted. Okay, and go to setting. After that your information under access and control and select deleted page and continue and causes, any causes choose, continue. After that continue and here input profile password and continue. Delete page name. This is here and delete it permanently. Okay, so 3 page deleted. This video I will show. Sorry, I did so. If you informative my video, so like and subscribe.